One thing you're used to that we know you love is the Intense 5. IG has become the new way to watch your favorite entertainer. Even John Legend was having an at-home mini concert in his underwear.
TikTok has taken over social media. It's quarantine's best friend.
Me dey on the land and see boat when it a go out. And when the boat a go out, me see say boat nah run good. And me say, oh, them a run the boat so. And when me look, me no see boat again. All me see one sitting a float a come down, you see. And me have to start show to the people, man, I say, you see that boat there turn over, and the people them are dead.
Romain, you win.
She was the little girl in the Long Time Lasco ad, plus she was featured in Timberlee's video. Now she's hoping to make her mark on American Idol. Jazan, good luck. We'll definitely be watching.
Yep. Jamaica was named as one of the best places to go to survive an apocalypse. I don't even know how to react to that.
Like how they come up with that? Like I don't understand.
What
Maybe,
basis?
just maybe, they're pretty impressed with how we're dealing with this whole corona thing.
Oh,
Maybe. Who knows?
I don't know. And finally holding the spot this week, Ellie. So the energy god landed in Mobe and forgot to state where he was over the past 6 weeks because he was sleeping when he was filling out the form.
Sorry for that. Drop asleep, you don't know.
Take a look at a part of the apology.
I also want to apologize for any misunderstanding in the way I incorrectly completed the form. After my long journey, I actually put the last country I arrived from as the opposed to all the countries I attended in the last 6 weeks. Sorry for that. Drop asleep, you don't know.
Anyways, enough people are not happy, Ellie.
I ask for your complete understanding.
Do me a favor and stay home. No gym, nobody go to your ear, nobody go look for no nice outfit because you never have nowhere to go. Just
I know,
stay
right?
home.
Yeah.
And tell your crew to do it too. 14 days, please. We are beg you.
Just want you to know that I would never put anyone life at risk intentionally.
Yep.
That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in everything.